is Nikki. Welcome to Lotus channel. I'm going to show you one new machine, the CZU purling machine, which is made for our domestic customer. Here is the multiple cutting die. Which is good for different sizes of the purling. Then it comes to the main forming machine. The machine is built up with casting pillar stands with double chain transmission. And let's check the rollers, the forming rollers. And here is the online punching unit. There are 4 different dies for different hole design. The online punch unit. Here is the feeding guide and the leveling unit. It's 7 roller leveling. We also have combined such heavy-duty hydraulic pump station, since the punching die is up to 4. Then, considering the sizes is various, we also combined such kind of servo motor, which is good for width and height changeover. One of side will move on the rail to make different sizes. And the control cabinet. Also have combined with a fully automatic stacking system. The length is up to 12 meters. I will show you the stacking system. I will share the more details with you later. Here is the finished product, the C-purling with big square perforated holes. Actually, the first step is after cutting, the profile will be transferred to the stacking area. The profile will move on the roller conveyor. Then, we have combined with such kind of magnetic suction arm. It will pick up the sheet automatically. Here is the main structure. It can move from left to the right. Then, once the second workpiece comes out, we will use the cross arm to turn over the profile. Then the profile, the two pieces of the profile will be coupled together, something similar like this. It could save more space. Here is the servo motor. The cross arm is driven by the servo motor. And the main driver motor. And also the rail. The magnetic suction arm will move on the rail. The length of the stacking system is around 12 meters. It's fully automatic.